What happens to your body if you do 6 minutes of planks every day for 30 days?
So I got a complete free process. You can go ahead and create these kind of viral educational skeleton videos without spending any money on paid AI tools. And yeah, that's right, you guys. This won't be a clickbait at all. I'm going to show you the complete process. You can go ahead and create these kind of videos without spending a single dime. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, I'm going to go to this channel. And as you guys can see, this channel has only uploaded 20 videos and it has gained like around 100,000 subscribers. Like, this is literally insane. And some of his popular videos are crossing 6 million, 5 million views. So you guys know how much views you can get out of these kind of viral skeleton educational videos, right? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open any one video of him. Let's just take this one.
What happened?
And the next thing you need to do is you need to come to Google Gemini and simply paste your video right over here and then say, analyze this video carefully as I want to recreate this type of video, right? And then Google Gemini is going to basically analyze the complete video with visuals, audio, overall impression, and it's going to take an idea like, what kind of video we're looking for and what kind of video we're trying to recreate right over here, okay? And then what you can do is, if you want, you can go ahead and change this video to your own style so that you don't get a copyright. But this is just for, the teaching purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you just the process, and then you can basically go ahead and do your own creativity and create your own kind of videos. So then I said, okay, so I want to recreate this kind of video in a way like, first of all, I'm going to do text to image generation, and once my images are ready, I'm going to do image to video generation. So text to image will be in Gemini and everything. And I said him, I'm going to be doing JSON prompting. Okay, so that is really important if you want to go ahead and create images inside of Google Gemini. So JSON prompting is a way to go, you guys, like, trust me. And then Google Gemini understood what I'm talking about. It's going to go ahead and start providing me all the scenes, first of all, for text to image generation. And then basically I said, provide me all the scenes, like, detailed one. So it would be like 9 to 10 scenes or 8 to 9 scenes where we'll be showcasing everything, the part of the video. And basically over here, you can type your own story as well. Like, if you have any other idea, you can tell Gemini and it's going to totally go ahead and create that for you. So now, after I wrote it that, so now we have all of our scenes done. First of all, for text to image generation, so we have in total 9 scenes right over here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and simply copy all of my prompts from here one by one, go to Google Gemini, another tab of Google Gemini once again. And then I'm going to simply start uploading my prompts right over here. Like, it was my first prompt. And for that, it provided me with this output, which looks absolutely perfect. Then this was my second prompt. For that, it provided me with this image. Then the third prompt, I have this image. Then the fourth prompt, I have this image. And now I have all the images with me ready to animate, you guys, okay? Okay, so once I've downloaded all of my images with me right over here, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and animate these images. So for that, we'll be using Google VEO3 inside of Flow. And again, you guys, that would be absolutely free. As you guys can see right over here, I used the free version of Google VEO3 inside of Flow, and it provides you basically 150 AI credits, and that is literally enough to create at least 9 to 10 videos, right? So you guys can see, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start by uploading all of my images inside of Google VEO3 right over here so that we can go ahead and animate them later. Okay, so once all of my images are uploaded, so the next thing you need to do is you're going to go ahead and simply, animate all of these scenes one by one. So for that, I'm going to simply go ahead and drag my first scene and drag it to add start frame, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and choose our presets. So it would be video section. Make sure you select frames to video. Aspect ratio would be 9:16. And, it would be one video because I don't want to waste my credits. And we're going to go ahead and input our prompts. So for the prompts, I'm going to go ahead and come back to Google Gemini where we created image prompts. And then I'm going to say, once you have all 9 images saved, come back and tell me. I'm going to give you. So I'm going to say, yes, go ahead, provide me all the video prompts. And now I have all the video prompts for my images right over here. And don't worry, you guys, if you want all of these prompts with you, I'm going to provide you down in the description so that you can easily go ahead and just regenerate this skeleton video very easily with you, okay? So from here, I'm simply gonna go ahead and copy my first prompt right over here, come to Google VEO3 and paste it. I'm gonna simply generate it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same for all of the rest of my scenes right over here, right? Which I just uploaded inside of Google VEO3. All right, so once all of my videos are generated, you guys can see here it is my first video. Then we have the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. And you guys can literally see I use the free Google VEO version, and I literally use just 2 accounts to basically create this whole skeleton videos. And in my second account, I still have 110 AI credits left. So you guys can see this is a complete free process. You don't have to spend a single dollar to create these kind of videos, you guys. Okay, and Google View 3 basically provides you 50 credits every single day. So if you create, let's just say 3 to 4 Gmail accounts, like every day you can create one of these skeleton videos and upload it to your YouTube channel, which is absolutely crazy, you guys, right? Okay, so once all of my videos are done, let me just go ahead and show you a single video for your reference. So yeah, the video 3 animation turned out really, really good. So from here, I'm simply gonna go ahead and download all of these videos one by one with me, you guys, okay? Okay, so once my videos are downloaded with me as well, so the next step is we need to go ahead and create a voiceover, you guys, right? Like, the voiceover that we can easily clip, just underneath the videos just to make it more and more engaging. So for the voiceover, the script, we're gonna go ahead and go to Gemini once again. And after that, I'm gonna say, okay, so now provide me a script for ElevenLabs, just copy paste script that will suit the best for this kind of video, and length of the script should be exactly how many scenes are there. And this kind of just information you have to provide to Google Gemini so that it provides you the accurate output. So then I have all my scenes, my visual context, and for that, it basically provide me what kind of voiceover you can generate, right? So after that, I say, just simply provide me this script in a paragraph from where I can simply copy paste that in ElevenLabs. So now I have my complete script with me. And the next thing is you're going to go ahead and simply go to ElevenLabs. Make sure you paste your script right over here. Choose the voice that suits the best for you. I'm going to choose Asher in this case, and simply click on generate. And you guys can see I am also using ElevenLabs, the free version. It basically provides you 10,000 credits. So that is literally insane to create at least 50 to 60 of these videos. Okay, so once my generation, the voiceover is done, let me just show you guys.
Is real. Day 7, your brain starts locking in. The shaking stops and your body finally learns how to stabilize.
Yeah, that is perfect. I'm simply gonna go ahead and download this as well. Okay, so once my videos are downloaded as well as with the voiceovers, so the next thing is we're gonna go ahead and combine all of these videos together. Just copy paste my voiceover there as well. For that, I'm gonna use Filmora. You can use CapCut as well if you don't have Filmora, but I'm gonna use Filmora in this case. I'm gonna simply drop all of my clips right over here. Simply drag those into my timeline. Do a little bit of editing. Make sure you build a strong hook in the start so that your video gets more and more engaging. Like you guys can see, I have simply inputted the chunks of all the clips in the hook so that it gets more and more engaging. And after that, I'm gonna simply copy paste my voiceover. Make sure you remove all the dead end, all the silence to make it fast paced and engaging. And after that, you're gonna go ahead and simply input your background music. So for the background music, I chose Synth Wave Goose, and this I simply just pick this up from YouTube. I'm gonna drop the link of the background music as well in the description for your reference. And once everything is done, I'm gonna simply export this, and let me show you the final output. But before that, there is one thing we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and also provide the captions to make this skeleton short more and more engaging. So for that, we're gonna go to CapCut Online, because CapCut Online provides you the free caption service, so you don't have to spend any money on CapCut as well. I'm gonna simply upload my video right over here. Make sure you drag it on the timeline, and then after that, you're gonna click on captions. So right now, you guys can see you can create auto captions for absolutely free. And once everything is done, I'm gonna choose my preset, choose the caption that suits the best, and after it's done, simply gonna export this once again. And now, finally, let me show you the output. Okay.
What happens to your body if you do 6 minutes of planks every day for 30 days? Day 1, your core is on absolute fire. Your abs are shaking and every second feels like an hour. By minute 6, your form breaks and you collapse. Your muscles are screaming for air. Day 3, you wake up and can barely sit up. The deep soreness in your midsection is real. Day 7, your brain starts locking in. The shaking stops and your body finally learns how to stabilize. Day 14, real changes appear. Your stomach looks flatter, and that hidden definition starts breaking through. Day 21, your core is now rock solid. Your balance is elite, and your functional strength has peaked. Day 30, the transformation is complete. You've built an iron midsection and explosive core power. Now, everyday movements feel effortless. Are you ready to start your day 1? Let's go.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method and the free method. You can easily go ahead and create these kind of viral educational skeleton videos. So this whole process, I didn't spend a single dollar in creating these kind of videos. And if I want, I can keep on making these videos every day without spending any money. So yeah, you guys can too as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, kindly subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions regarding this video, if you want any link, any website reference, so just drop that down in the comment section, and I'm gonna make sure I reply every single one to you. So yeah, take care. Bye bye.